Zelle is a safe, easy way to send money in seconds, and if you've got the Cornerstone Bank mobile app, you're ready to go. Once logged into the Cornerstone app, click the menu in the upper left-hand corner and select Send Money with Zelle. Click Continue to review and accept the terms and conditions. Select the email address and mobile number you would like to use for Zelle. Please note that each Zelle registration is unique. If you have a Zelle connection through the standalone app or with another bank, you must use a different email address or mobile number for your new registration. After you click Submit, you will receive a confirmation text or email with a code. Enter the code into your Cornerstone mobile app, and you are ready to begin using Zelle. It's important that you know and trust anyone you're sending money to. Zelle can send money from your bank account to someone else's in minutes, and in most cases, a payment cannot be canceled once it's authorized.